Chris Collier, assistant editor of Window Film Magazine and PPF Mag here. From the racetrack to the highway, windshield damage can ruin your day and break the bank. Racing Optics race-tested windshield protection systems offer a solution for the consumer.
Windshield defense product, is a windshield defense stack protection. It's 3 layers of film, 3 mil thick, and it's made to protect your windshield against cracking, pitting, or breaking. Windshields are becoming extremely expensive, especially with the ADAS technology. It's not unusual to get a windshield. A Tesla, for instance, would be $1,500. So it makes all sense today to protect your windshield with a stack of film like that. So the product is very easy. It's a 3-layer film. You can tear it off, and we have those 3 layers. And if one film is damaged, because you received a rock or something like that, you can tear it off, and you have a new pristine layer, just brand new, and your windshield is again completely new again. We are coming from the racing world, and we have been using this product for more than 15 years now, and we are the official sponsor of IndyCar. We signed today that we are the official sponsor of the International Motorsport Association, covering the Porsche Carrera Cup and the Lamborghini and all kind of events like that. At Sema, we are introducing a new kit, and we call it the Windshield Defense Kit. You'll go on our website, you order a kit, we will shrink it for you, we will cut it exactly to the shape of the windshield, and you would receive it within a few days, and you install it in 10 minutes or less.
Visit our website for more coverage and be sure to grab a free magazine subscription while you're there. And don't forget to come by booth 54074 in West Hall to connect with our team and get some free swag. See you soon.